Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, today I am going to show you a product that VDIAGTOOL has sent me. It is the V200 Pro Automotive Circuit Probe and Breaker Finder. Yeah, so it's like a power probe, but it's got an extra little kit with it, which is, it finds breaks in wires, basically. A very handy little kit. I've been after one of these for a while now, and this company reached out to me and said, would we like to send you one to have a look at it, unbox it, see what you get with it, do a little examples of what it can do. And yeah, it's a really good bit of kit for the garage. And yeah, we're going to open her up and see what we get. So let's get into it. Let's do this. Right, okay, guys, first of all, let's have a little unbox and see what we've got inside the kit. So as you can see, on the front there, it tells you what it does, a few bits and pieces on there. A brief description about what you're going to get in the kit. Is made in China. Yeah, some information on the back as well. What it's got, what it can do, and stuff like that. Regulations, UK stamped and all that sort of stuff. So let's have a look inside the box. You get a nice carry case inside this as well. So that's pretty cool. Nice plastic case to carry it all in with. Let's have a look inside. I have opened this up, but not really messed about with it too much. I wanted to sort of, show you guys as I get them. So I haven't undone any cords. You've got this must be the lead for the power probe. This is the power probe itself. So yeah, and obviously that connects to the battery. Yeah, so you've got two connects to the main battery on the car or off the car. I might actually go and get one actually and just get a battery. Yeah, let me go and get a battery set up here and then I can show you. Right, okay, so guys, got myself a battery connected up, negative and positive for the power probe. You can see it there, it's all connected up. Got quite a long wire actually, and that wire you can add this one to it, I think, and it gives you a longer, it gives you a bigger lead, so you can go quite far, this thing, which is quite good. You never know where you're going to be working. So basically I've connected it up, and then you've got a power button just here, and then if you press it forward, it powers it up. You've got LED lights as well to see. This is the power probe. So that goes in there like that. So now we've got a power probe, and that's our probe to test things. It does quite a lot of stuff, this thing. I've really got to look through the manual as well just to see what exactly it can do, how to operate it correctly, because I've got to be honest, I've never had one of these before. This is my first one. And they're very dangerous if you don't use it correctly, because basically if you press this forward and back, you're putting power to certain things. So yeah, it's got some settings here as well. So yeah, a very cool bit of kit. I think mainly for me, and a good thing to start off with, is that you can test like fuses, and you can even get a light bulb and then connect this up to a light bulb and put power to it, and it'll come on. So starter motors, sort of bits and pieces like that, airflow mass sensors. This is a great bit of kit. for that, and this is the reason why I wanted one. You get a cigarette lighter as well, in case you needed to connect it up to a cigarette lighter to give you power. So that's the power probe. This is quite a common thing, these power probes. They're quite expensive. Other companies make them, but not many companies will do it as a kit like this, where you get this circuit breaker. So basically, how this works is you've got this antenna, and you run that along the cables to find a break in the wire. Very, very good little kit, especially doing the cars like I do, the salvage cars and the repairs. You know, you're always looking for sort of broken wires. This thing here is unbelievably. So if I turn it on, can you just hear the humming? So you put it like that, and as it, you know, so that's what you basically do, and you run that along the wires, and it will basically tell you where the break is. So this is a little game changer for sure. This is going to save me so much time in trying to diagnose and find faults in wires. This is going to be the one. So it's a circuit breaker finder, and it finds basically a broken circuit in the wiring. That's how it works. And obviously, because it's got the antenna, you can really sort of bend it over. You can bend it in places and get down there and search for things to get the power. So yeah, this great bit of kit. I'll be using this quite a lot. And I've just got to really basically get used to using this power probe, because like I said, I've never had one of these before, and they're very, very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. So it's a case of just doing your research, and doing it as safely as you can, basically. So that is what I'll be doing. But yeah, obviously, guys, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description below, and then you can grab yourself one of these kits as well. They're not expensive for what you get. I've got to be honest. It's a very, very good overall kit for the amount of money that you're going to pay. I think it's about £80, £79, and they're always going out of stock. As soon as they get them in stock, bang, they're gone. They sell out so quick of these things. So, but I will put a link in the description below if you want to grab yourself one. In the meantime, guys, let's go on and get a look at a car and look at some fuses inside the car's engine bay, and let's see what we can do. We'll test some fuses, I think. So I'll set you up over there. Let's get cracking. Let's do this. Right, okay, so guys, I'm over here. We've got some fuses underneath the bonnet here on a Mercedes that we're working on. I've rigged it up, plugged it all in, both terminals onto the battery. So you're getting power like this. So this is basically your power probe, what I was talking about. But how to test the fuses, you basically you set it to that there, like that, and then every time you touch a fuse on one side, it will go like that. It will go green or it will go red. As long as it's the same colour on the other side, and like so, if I did that in red and then went to the other side and it was nothing, it means that fuse is blown. So what you do, you go to one side like that, then go to the other side. If I can get it in there like that, so you can see this fuse is okay. So you go to the next fuse. This might be green. It is green. As long as it's green the other side of the fuse, then it's okay. It's not a blown fuse. We go to the other side, and as you can see, it's green. And you just keep doing that all the way on all the fuses until you find one that's got no that's not connected on the other side. So you just keep going and going and going and going and going. So yeah, a very, very handy little tool to identify if you've got any blown fuses in the fuse board at all. Like, you know, I think is that a green, is that a red? No, that's a green one. I'm just trying to find a red one for you. There's a red one. And then just basically the other side. So you're just checking both sides to make sure that basically the bar, the actual fuse inside the bar is still connected. And this will give it to you because I'm not switching it here. So see that little switch there? I'm not switching it or touching it at all. You're just basically setting it to that. And that's how you test the fuses. This does loads of different things. Like I said to you, once you sort of push forward and push back, it'll give you power like this. So what you can do is you could find the starter relay on any car, put this probe into where the starter motor sits, push forward or back to get power into the actual, like, underneath the relay kind of thing. So like if I just show you like that, yeah, so you pull the relay and in there is a live, and you can put that power probe in there, push power, and it will activate the actual starter motor on the car. So yeah, very, very good power probe. So I'll be definitely using this a lot around the workshop for various different things. Fault finding when it comes to fuses is really good. Obviously we've got this little light as well, this LED light that comes on it. So if I was to come around and we'll go into the actual you know, I'm pulling the wire and we'll go into the glove box, I've got this lightning to see where I'm going inside the glove box, because there'll be a fuse box under the bonnet and inside the car under the dashboard somewhere. And yeah, very, very handy power probe. So that's that. The other thing I want to show you as well, just briefly, is the fault finder. I'm going to put a bit of power to the car, and then that way it will put take that off there, so that's done. So this is our fault finder with our antennae. So basically you turn it on and then press it, and then anytime you get hear that, so basically what you can do is if you've got like a loom, you can find, like, go to this one here, and then you can follow it. You've got a signal until you haven't got a signal, and that's where the brake is. So you know where to open up the wiring loom. This is a game changer, I tell you. This is going to save so much time. It is unbelievable. So yeah, a very, very handy tool. Another one, and obviously that comes in the kit. You get it in the kit with the power probe. So yes, guys, there we go. I'm not going to go into too much detail when it comes to this, because like I said to you, I've not owned one of these before. It's a new thing for me. I don't want to be starting messing around, putting power to things, because it can be very, very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. So you've really got to look into research and make sure that you're comfortable and confident enough to use one of these. But just for finding broken fuses and stuff like that is perfect. And then as you use it, as you start using it more around the workshop or at home, in the garage, you'll get confident, and then you can do more and more stuff with it. So yeah, it'll be a great bit of kit for anyone that sort of does cars and tinkers around with cars and stuff like that. It'll be perfect for you, especially when you've got to find a break in the wire. That is so good. It's like a signal. So it's finding a signal from the antennae. It's well good. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy messing around with this all over the workshop for various different bits and pieces. I will put a link in the description below, guys. If you want to grab yourself one of these little kits, they're absolutely spot on. If they're not in stock, just keep coming back, keep refreshing, check every now and then, because they sell out so quick, these kits. Absolutely fly out the door. So the company did email me and said, even the one they sent me, it took probably a couple of months to come through because they kept going out of stock, kept going in. So it's becoming a very, very popular bit of kit for people that are interested. I think mainly because of this, because you can get a power probe, you can get a separate power probe from many places, but it's this circuit breaker finder that's I think that's pushing everyone to get them. But I will put a link in the description below. Grab yourself one of these kits, guys. It'll be a fantastic bit for you to work on. So that's going to be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.